Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn bookkeeping and accountancy subject. Now we are going to learn not for profit concerns. The following adjustments are made. Number first adjustment, outstanding expenses. This adjustment two effects. First effect, income and expenditure account add to particular expenses on the debit side, and second effect, show outstanding expenses on the liability side of balance sheet. And important next adjustment, prepaid expenses. This adjustment in advance paid expenses. First effect, deduct from the related expenses on the debit side, and second effect, show prepaid expenses on the asset side of balance sheet. Number third adjustment, income received and advance. First effect, income and expenditure account deduct from the related income on the credit side, and second effect, balance sheet, show income received in advance on liability side. Next, for adjustment number, acquired income. This adjustment two effects. First effect, income and expenditure account add the related income on the credit side, and second effect, balance sheet asset side, show acquired income on the asset side. Next, number 5, subscription outstanding receivable. First effect in this adjustment, income and expenditure account add the amount of subscriptions outstanding to subscription on credit side, and second effect, balance sheet, show subscription outstanding on the asset side of the balance sheet. Adjustment number 6, subscription received in advance. In this adjustment, first effect, income and expenditure account deduct the amount of subscription received in advance from subscription on the credit side, and second effect, show subscription received in advance on the liability side of balance sheet. Next, adjustment number 7, depreciation on fixed asset. Depreciation calculated in fixed asset. First effect, income and expenditure account show depreciation on the debit side, and second effect, deduct depreciation from the related fixed asset on the asset side of balance sheet. Number 8, capitalization of entrance fees. First effect, income and expenditure account deduct the amount of capitalization of entrance fees from entrance fees on credit side, and second effect, add the amount of capitalization of entrance fees to capital fund on the liability side. Adjustment number 9, creation of special funds out of donation. First effect, income and expenditure account deduct the amount of special funds show credit from the donation on credit side. And second effect, balance sheet, show separately social funds so created on the liability side. And next, adjustment number 10, closing stock of stationery. First effect in this adjustment, income and expenditure account, deduct the closing stock of stationery from printing and stationery on debit side. And second effect, balance sheet asset side, show stock of stationery separately on the asset side. Thank you.